People on social media, they are blaming Petronella for Hungani Dlovu and Stephanie's divorce. People, they are blaming Petronella just because Petronella, she is not married, she is single. People, they are blaming Petronella because Petronella and Stephanie, they are friends. Sometimes to be a friendship with a person who is not married, with single people, you understand, it's so dangerous because a single woman, she is already failed her marriage. You understand? Guys, you know Petronella because some of the people, they know her character on Rhythm City. It doesn't mean that it's her character. You understand? Maybe she is a good person, but people, they are blaming her because she is the reason. We don't understand. Because sometimes when you have a friendship with a person who is not married, what advice that person gives you about your relationship, it's obvious. Stephanie and Petronella, Stephanie tells Petronella everything about her relationship with Hungani, with the Tibos from Skim Sam. It's obvious because they are too close. Look at Petronella and Stephanie. They are too close. It's obvious Stephanie, she wants advice to Petronella because they look that Petronella, she is older than Stephanie. You understand? She is an older person. And sometimes when you want advice to people who are single, don't get advice to people who are single. Because guys, some of the advices to single women, they are always negative because that person, she is already failed her relationships, her marriage. You understand? Because guys, sometimes, because guys, Stephanie tells Petronella all her secrets about Hungani. You understand? And Petronella, we don't know Petronella what advice she gives to Stephanie. We don't understand because Petronella, she is already single. You understand? Because sometimes, guys, I saw that Stephanie takes advantage of Hungani because she helped Hungani Tibos from Skim Sam at Scandal. Understand? Guys, when a woman helps you, sometimes she can take advantage. And most of the times when you hear the mistake, a man is a man, guys. Even you helped him, it doesn't mean that he is not going to cheat. Even you give him money, you give him a car or what, a man is a man. He is going to cheat. And Stephanie, most of the times when Hungani, he had a mistake, maybe he tells him that I helped you, and I helped you. And men, they don't want that character of a woman. We understand? When you help a man, help him. Tomorrow, don't tell him, because a man, even you give him anything, but he is going to cheat.